Hello everyone, welcome to day 10 of 30 days Excel challenge. Yesterday actually we have seen how to write different kinds of text formulas. Like we have seen how to write left, how to write right formula, and how can we actually use concat formula. Like different kinds of text functions we have seen. Now today we are going to deal with different kinds of date functions that are present in Microsoft Excel. Now let us see let us imagine this is a column of dates available to us. Now we just wanted to extract day from this particular date. Imagine I just wanted to take only day, means 0101, like those days from this particular date. Now how can I do that? So one thing we can actually use, like flash fill, we can use it, like by pressing Control E we can create that, like we can type patterns like this, and if it recognizes, we can actually use Control E and make that appear in the sheet. And the best way to do these kind of things is, there is a formula called as day in Microsoft Excel. You can actually use that. If you pass this argument, like if you put this cell into this day function, it will just extract the day from that particular date. Suppose imagine here, I'll just change the format here to general. Now as you can see, if I double click here, see the entire days got extracted from the whole date. Suppose in future if I wanted to edit this, I'm going to change this 01 into 05. Automatically it has given 5 instead of 1. So this is the beauty of writing formulas in Microsoft Excel. They are very much dynamic. So at the same time, I just wanted to extract month from the date. So there is another important formula. Its name is month. So you can write month, open the braces. You can put this date into that. Click OK. And after clicking OK, you can go to this cell. If you scroll over the edges of the cell, you can see a symbol like a small plus. You can double click it. Automatically the same formula will get applied to entire column. As you can see, this is 10th month, right? The 10 got extracted here. In the same way, let us see how can we extract year out of date. There is another function called as year. So these are pretty easy functions, guys. You can play with it. So just put that date into this. So as you can see, 2001 got extracted. So if you double click here, the whole year, the whole column, the formula will get applied to. And I just wanted to tell you another thing. Suppose you wanted to calculate, imagine this column refers to date of birth of all your employees. Imagine, suppose you wanted to calculate age of your employees. Age is such a dynamic thing, like every day it changes, right? So there is a particular formula called as today. Let me increase the size for you. I'm sorry. Yeah. So there is this particular formula called today. First, let me tell you, in today formula, you need not pass any kind of arguments. You need not put any kind of cells into it. If you just write today like this and press OK, it will automatically print today's date. Now the date is 4/07/2024, right? So it automatically printed that date here. If I double click here, the entire column will get the same date. So the speciality of using today function is, if you open the file tomorrow, like the date is 5/07/2024, right? The column in which you have written today's function will automatically reflect that day's date. Like if you open it tomorrow you can see 05/07/2024 in this column. Because you have written today's function here, today's function is highly dynamic. It will fetch the system date as on that date. The moment you open the Microsoft Excel, the today's function will go and fetch the system date and time, and it will reflect it here. So this is how the today works. Suppose if you wanted to calculate the age, you can just go here. You can find out a difference between this cell and the date of birth of your employee. You can click OK. So it is showing 0. Let us find out why it is showing 0. Because I think the format of these cells may be of different kind. Let us explore. So in home tab, let us go see. Here it is, the format is in time. We just wanted to make this into general. See, it is showing 8550. What does this mean? So from this date to this date, these many days are the difference. So from this date to this date, 8550 days are the difference. So it is actually calculating the age in days. Now we want the age in years, right? Just double click it. Let us edit this formula. I'm just passing a bracket, and after that I just divide this whole k8 divided by k8 minus g8 by 365. This is it, right? If you divide total number of days by 365, you will get the years, right? So this is what I am doing. So it automatically fetched me the number of years from his date of birth. So technically it is called as age. Now just double click it. The entire formula will get applied to the whole column here. Now if I change this date to 21/11/2021, let us see what it shows. See, it's automatically calculated the age. It's 2.6 years. So all these functions are dynamic. Today's function is also very dynamic. I'll just put the heading as today so that you can easily track. So if you open the same file tomorrow, it will show you 5/07/2024. It is that much dynamic. So every day, by creating a sheet like this, you can track every day what is the age of your employee. So like such things you can do. Suppose I have another example. Imagine you're having a column with time, like 12, 45, 00, 19, 24, 25. Like this, you have a column of different you have a column of time series, like timestamps you are having here in a column. Suppose you wanted to extract hours from this timestamp. So let us learn how to do this. There is a formula called as hour. You can press tab, you can open the braces. Inside the braces, you can pass this argument. You can put this cell, you can close this. It will automatically extract the hours from this particular time. Hours, minutes, seconds is there, right? From that, it will just extract the hours and show you. If you double click it here, automatically the entire formula will get applied to the whole column. In the same way, here you can extract minutes. There is a formula called as minute. Just same thing you can do, pass this cell into that, press OK. See, as you can see, 45 is there. Just double click it here. Automatically it extracted all the minutes. This cell is also dynamic. If I change this 12 into 13, automatically the entire thing changes. In the same way, there is formula to extract the seconds too. Second, I'm giving the same reference here. As you can see, it is 00, right? So it has shown 0 there. If I double click it here, it has extracted all my seconds. So this is it, guys, when it comes to dealing with date functions. And I'm going to discuss with you advanced date functions in Power Query sessions. So don't miss the class on Saturdays and Sundays. So actually they are very important classes for this week. So thank you very much for your participation. Have a great day.